Hi, I'm Ceres, like Coincide Channel, Infinite Ceres. Guys, today I get to open up this Lego City Artemis rocket Lego set. I can't wait because Artemis is going to go around the moon, and after that we're going to launch people to the moon again. And then we're going to launch people to Mars. Let's open this up. Guys, look at how cool this is. You can slide up. Okay, I have more to put together. Look at this. This is really cool. It can open up like that. It has a lot of equipment in the inside. Maybe it's like one of the labs, maybe? I don't know what it is, but maybe we'll find out. I have more building to do, so I'm gonna keep going. Okay, I'm going to work. Oh, Oh, hi. Hi. Okay, I'm going to do my work. Oh, that's easy. It's just this. Where does that go? Oh, it's here. Look, I basically did the same thing over and over and again. Look at this. See this? It goes all the way down to here. These astronauts will stand on this right there, and then if you see this, and you pull it, and see that rope go higher and higher and higher and higher, so that the astronauts can and then we can get to the rocket.
Time for a juice break. Okay, back to work.
I'm finishing the rocket. I have this much done, and I have this much to do left. Did you know that Artemis is a twin sister of Apollo? Apollo was the first time that we went to the moon. And this is gonna be the second time. I've done this so far, but now I have to do the two side rockets. I'm so excited that I finished this! I mean, look at this thing! It's ginormous! And it has all sorts of secret compartments in it. Okay, let's show you this part. It's the garage, and you can go up, and then here comes some construction workers. They go back in. Here's the inside. It has a few tools on the side right there. There's a tree and a bird. That bird's really cute because it has a green, yellow, and blue. And my favorite part of this is this. It looks like a turtle shell, but it's not a turtle shell. It can spin around. Look inside. It's a telescope. And if I spin this, it can go down and up to see different things. And all the way into space. It's really cool because that's right there. It has like some bacteria on it, looks like. And if I turn this around, the little guys can look in and see what is it. It's really cool. Hello. And a drone, of course. This is a satellite dish. Now let's see what's inside. Oh, mission control is really cute inside. You can also see that there is a mini SLS model. And if you look over here, so you can see that there's a planet, but it's that tiny little detail you see moving. That's the SLS. And how you move it is from back here. You go back and forth, back and forth. There. Artemis 1 is unmanned. That means that no people are gonna go on Artemis. But Artemis 2 is going to take people. Now it's time to launch. Okay, astronaut, your hair off now. Okay, now they have to go up this. Get inside, beep, and inside, beep. Perfect. Now, if you twist this, the astronauts will slowly start getting up. Because it rises. It's also because of this rope. It goes all the way up here. It's gonna take a little bit. Whoa. Now that's cool. Okay, time to get inside. Okay, are you ready? Kind of. This is gonna be scary though. Okay, I guess it's only fitting one person. Okay, I'll just sit like this. Yeah! Okay, we're all ready. Now, Let's see. Perfect. That's what they're gonna drive on the moon. Now, let's see what's in this compartment. That's bad. I'll just put it right back. Octane. That's cool. Did you know every 1 pound we take to space needs 26 pounds of gas? That's crazy to think about! Okay, it's time for launch. Mission control, are you ready? Yes. Telescope, are you ready? Do you see anything? No? And I am ready! Astronauts, are you ready? We are ready for anything. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All 4 RS-25 engines on the core stage and 2 solid rocket boosters now propelling the vehicle at 128 miles per hour.
Okay, I think we're at the moon. Okay, let's go explore! Woo! Oh, this is fun. Yeah, I know, right? Let's get in! Whoa. This is gonna be fun. Yeah, I can't wait to see what's on the moon. Whoa, I still have to get in. Let's go! Yeah! This took a little bit longer than I expected because it had more pieces and more parts than the other one. But I think it's really cool and fun and interesting. There's so many parts to play with. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss out on any videos. Bye, see you tomorrow.